I'm here today having a quick look at the brand new Nissan Qashqai. Now this is a small 5-seater SUV that I think is going to be great for families. Let's jump straight in and take a look around it. Now the back seats here do feel nice and spacious, and there's Isofix in the two outer seats and top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs. So I'm looking forward to testing whether 3 child seats will fit across here. Now, new for the Qashqai standard is aircon vents in the back, which is fantastic news for those rear passengers. And there's USB-C and USB socket in the back here too. The new Nissan Qashqai now comes packed full of safety systems, with Nissan's Pro Pilot Safety Suite available on all but the bottom spec model. The technology has been updated to include a new 12.3-inch media screen with digital radio and wireless Apple CarPlay on all but the base model. The top spec model has a 10.8-inch head-up display and heated and massage front seats. I haven't driven the new Nissan Qashqai Hybrid yet. I'm looking forward to driving it later this year with my family on board. Now, keyless entry is standard across the Qashqai range, which is really good news for parents. Also, the boot here, you can turn the boot floor over so you've got a wet protective side, and you can divide the boot up to carry smaller items too. I'm looking forward to putting this through my normal baby drive testing.